Now let's go over how we can paste data by using special paste options. For example, here we have a table A, B, and C. Column C contains a formula. We're using the sum function to add the contents in cell A and B, as you can see here in the formula bar. Now let's say we want to copy the contents in column C, but without the formula. We will first select the cells, right-click, copy, and we will select a new location, right-click, and under Paste Special, we're going to select Values. Let's format this. Now, since we pasted only the values using the special paste option, you can see here that Excel has copied the contents in column C, but without the formulas. You can see the formulas existing in column C, but we do not see the formulas in the new column. Now, what if we want to apply the same formatting that we see in the column header in column C to the column header in column F? In order to do that, we're going to select the formatting or the title C here, right-click, copy, and we're going to select the new cell where we want to paste the formatting, right-click, and under the Paste Special option, we are going to select Formatting. By doing so, Excel has quickly copied the style that we see in cell C1 to the cell in F1. Now let's say we want to transpose the data. Transposing the data basically switches it from columns to rows, or you can switch from rows to columns. So first, let's copy the content that we want to transpose. Next, find a new location and right-click. Under Paste Special, we're going to select Transpose. So here you can see that your data was in column format, but now it has been transposed, so it is in row format. Now let's say we want to copy a new column C, which was without the formulas, and paste it between column B and C. So we're going to select the data range first, right-click, copy, and we're going to select the column on the left of which we're going to paste the new column. So right-click and select Insert Copied Cells. The dialog box will ask you whether you want to shift the cells right or if you want to shift the cells down. We're going to select the first option. By doing so, Excel has shifted the existing column C towards the right so that we can insert the new column to the left. In order to insert and delete multiple columns or rows in Excel, we can do either one of the following. Select the column that you would like to delete, and under the Home tab, in the Cells group, click on Delete, and select Delete Sheet Columns. If you would like to insert new columns, you can again click on the Home tab, and on the right-hand side, click on Insert, Insert Sheet Columns. If you would like to insert a new row, select the location first, and again, click on Insert, Insert Sheet Rows. So it adds a new cell above the existing cell. Now let's say you want to delete the third row. First, select the row, and then click on Delete, Delete Table Rows. Be careful when you're clicking here. Do not delete the whole sheet. Another way to insert a column is first select the column, right-click, and click on Insert. And if you want to insert a new row, first select the row and right-click, click on Insert.